Which of the following compound is most acidic? Option A, B and C compounds are phenols. Option D, the compound is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohols are, phenols are more acidic than benzyl alcohol. So option D ruled out. Now among phenols. Phenol dissociates to give phenoxide ion and H plus ion. So if phenoxide ion is stable, then the phenol will be more acidic. Phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. Phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. This phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. So now for any charge species, the stability depends on charge intensity. If the charge intensity is more, stability will be less. If charge intensity is less, stability will be more. I am again repeating, for any charge species, stability depends on the charge intensity. If charge intensity is more, stability will be less. If charge intensity is less, stability will be more. So if the phenoxide ion is more stable, then the phenol will be more acidic. Phenoxide ion is more stable means phenol will be more acidic. Now if there is electron withdrawing group on the benzene ring, electron withdrawing group on the benzene ring, what electron withdrawing group does? It withdraws electrons towards itself. So what happens to the negative charge intensity? Decreases. If charge intensity decreases, stability of phenoxide ion increases, and so acidity of phenol also increases. So electron withdrawing groups increase the acidity of phenol. Now let us see what happens if electron releasing group is there on the benzene ring of phenol. If electron releasing group is there, the electron density on oxygen increases. As I told you, if the phenoxide ion is more stable, phenol will be more acidic. But electron releasing group, what it is doing? It releases electrons and increases the charge intensity and hence decreases the stability. So if stability decreases, stability of the phenoxide ion decreases, acidity also decreases. That is the main point we have to learn. So acidity of phenol depends on the stability of phenoxide ion. If phenoxide ion is more stable, acidity of phenol will be more. Electron withdrawing group will stabilize the phenoxide ion and increase the acidity. Electron releasing group will destabilize the phenoxide ion and decreases the acidity. Now let us see what happens here. This compound we have OH and CHO. In first compound, CHO is in ortho position. In the second compound, CHO is in meta position, and in the third compound, CHO is in para position. Again I am repeating, in the first compound CHO is in ortho position, second compound CHO is in meta position, third compound CHO is in para position. CHO group is minus R group, means electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group stabilizes the phenoxide ion and increases the acidic character. But minus R effect will be in ortho and para positions, but not in meta position. So ortho and para should be more acidic than meta in this case. Ortho and para should be more acidic than meta in which CHO group is there in meta position, because resonance effect will be there only in ortho and para positions. Among ortho and para is more acidic, because in ortho position the acidic hydrogen is involved in hydrogen bonding. The acidic hydrogen is involved in hydrogen bonding. So this compound is more acidic. Let us see the options given there. What is the option there? C. So option C is your answer.